You have to start by removing the peat. You can do that with a shovel. When the peat is removed, lay a layer of gravel. It will provide good stability and good drainage to the ground. Distribute the gravel evenly before compacting. The next step is adding thin gravel. It is a finer mass, which will provide a smooth and compact surface. Use a rake or an asphalt tear to spread gravel, and make sure to leave it as smoothly as possible. Moisten the ground before compacting one last time. For a good final result, we recommend that you perform a final check of the ground and remove any unevenness.